Hey guys, you know what time it is? It is time for What's Inside, and we will check out this little guy. Sometimes things are not how they should, and this little toy is not working properly. Like, if you see, he's not moving his hand. Okay, he should do this. And right now we will open him and see how he works and if we can fix it. So we start by unscrewing all these screws. So I think we need to remove his ears. 1, 2. Now earless little Nick, and resume unscrewing the screws. And I see everything is okay, so we are ready to start opening him. And we remove the face, and okay, and now another screw fell. I have to recover it, and now gently open. Hands fell, 2 hands fell. Okay, and there you go. We see the mechanism. 1 second. Now we see how this works. Some gears spin this semicircle, this cylinder, and what he does, make hand move up and down. Okay, so right now all I should do is to place the hand so it can be moved by this engrenage right here. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, and nice and slow. I feel like I'm assembling Darth Vader here. Very nice. There it is. Oh, some wires are not well inside. Time to assemble him again. Let's put back the face. And getting ready to put back the screws. I will put the ears back. And okay. Both ears ready. There it is. I presented the one and only Nick Wilde. So what have we learned? Sometimes things don't work as they should, but don't despair. There is always a fix. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. I hope you liked it. If you did, press that like button and let me know. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.